Today we're doing some cable management and cleaning up our desk with the help of our new power strip and cable box from Redagod. And it comes shipped to your door ready to organize your desk as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual and then your cable management box. On the side, you have your on-off switch, and then on the back, you have slots to slide the cables through. On the inside of the box, you can find your power strip. It has 8 standard plugs as well as 2 USB ports, and even a USB-C port to fast charge your devices. And of course, it also has a surge protector to keep your devices safe. So I placed it on my stand-up desk in between my 2 monitors, and it fits quite nicely. Then I plugged in the 6.6 foot power cable and turned on the power strip. I plugged in my monitors, my desk lamps, and my phone charger. Position the cables through the slots on the back and put the lid back on. Now when I raise my desk, all the devices that will be moving are plugged in right on top of my desk. Underneath the desk, I still have some cables to organize and clean up, but we'll get there. For now, I have half my cables nicely organized and can use my stand-up desk without worry of tangling cables. My desk is cleaner than ever, and I can even charge my phone at the desk now. Then when I'm done, I can put it in the handy phone slot and keep it out of the way until I need it again. Now instead of a mess of cables, I have most of them nicely organized inside of a box that I can tuck away and keep my desk looking clean. Not to mention, you can use this to keep pesky pets and children away from your active plugs. So if you're looking to do some cable management and don't know where to start, this cable management box might just be for you. And if you have any tips on cable management on a stand-up desk, I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below. But till next time, I'm going to go safely raise my stand-up desk without worry of tangled cables. And then, I'm off to go get some work done at my clean and organized desk. See ya!